One is the standard Igbo. This one is dialect. So they mean the same thing. Aha or Afa, name. Kedu. What this means is that anywhere you see aha, you can equally replace it with Afa. They mean the same thing. Kedu aha gị? Olee aha gị? These two sentences, they mean the same thing. The only difference is kedu and ole. Ole and kedu, they are the same thing. Kedu ezigbo aha gị? Kedu aha nna gị? Kedu aha Igbo gị? Kedu aha bekee gị? You can also say kedu aha oyibo gị? Oyibo and bekee mean the same thing. Kedu aha otutu gị? Kedu aha echichi gị? This is how to respond if you are asked any of these questions. You see the highlighted phrases or word as the case may be. Just say the highlighted phrase first or word as the case may be. Say the highlighted phrase, then just like I did here. Aha, look at it. This is the word highlighted. You say the highlighted word or phrase first, then because you're talking about yourself this time. So we have aham, then bo, is. Then you say your name. Aham bo Ugom Sinachi. Now look at the idiomatic expressions that has aha in them. Ezi aha ka ego. A good name is better than riches, or a good reputation is better than riches. So ezi aha means good name or good reputation.